How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the speakers on a Dell XPS 15 version 9575. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then turn off battery power switch. Now unscrew and remove input-output board cable. Then remove input-output board interposers. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then disconnect LED and speaker cables. Now unscrew and remove speakers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.